Dragons Everywhere by Rhiannon Oliver.
There are dragons in the doorway, dragons on the stairs, dragons in the cupboard, dragons everywhere.
There are dragons in the cafe making spicy stew. There are dragons on the mountains taking in the view.
And yes, you've got a dragon too, sleeping in your chest, ready to inspire you and help you give your best.
I know you'll never meet them, but trust me, they are there, holding on to strength for you. Dragons everywhere!
What do you imagine when you think of dragons?
Dragon Song by Nia Morris.
What's in your mind's eye when you think of me? Sharp claws, blood red, right fanged, whipping tail. I'm a monster of the dark, beastly, all evil eye, snarling skin like chainmail.
A Dry Gawk by Sarah Zimmern. Flame breathing, cave dwelling,
Smoke breathing, hero felling,
wings spreading, belly soaring,
mountain treading, thunder roaring,
scale shining, feast detecting,
gold reclining, horde protecting,
castle spiting, night frustrating,
bonfire lighting,
myth creating,
gem acquiring,
battle scarring,
awe-inspiring, arms starring, dragon! But are all dragons like this?
Dreadlock Dragon by Alex Walton. Yeah, I'm a dragon, but a rock star too. It's hard to separate the two.
I wear black shades, I got tattoos, I don't fit in, I break the rule. I'm a one-off and icon, the Dreadlock Dragon. I make music, man, it's my passion. I set trends, high fashion, just bought me a mansion. My album New Flame went platinum. I don't take selfies, I never smile. I've got my own vibe, my own style.
Dragon punk, hot rocker, sharp claw, chart topper. Off the scale, sky high, super cool, super high.
Dragons can be fun.
Hanan Issa is the national poet of Wales. She has edited this anthology called And I Hear Dragons.
What is it that makes this poetry collection so good? You won't be disappointed if you buy this fabulous poetry book. It's full of all poems, all about dragons, both scary, feisty, funny and heartwarming.
I like the idea in some of these poems of a friendly Welsh dragon being inside of me to help me and give me strength to face challenges and do my best.
I like the book as it is written in Welsh and English and helps us understand dragons.
There are lots of different dragons with their own personality.
The poems are amazing for all ages. This book is great value because it has lots of different poems, so buy it and enjoy it.